Good morning, this Wednesday, the 15th of June. I'm Sophia Mavridis, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, it was quite a grim day yesterday. It was the worst trading session since May 2020. So we saw heavy losses that we haven't seen since around the beginning of the pandemic. Billions were wiped from the market yesterday, with the ASX 200 falling 5.3% in the first 20 sessions of the session, then very slightly recovering some of those losses. The market still closed 3.6% lower at 6,686 points. The reason behind this was the heavy selling we've seen in the US markets over the last two trading sessions. And this was the first time the Australian market was able to respond since our local market was closed on Monday for the Queen's birthday public holiday. So the reason US markets have tumbled is because its inflation reading came in higher than expected. US CPI is 8.6%, its highest level since December 1981. Now on Thursday, the Fed will announce its interest rate decision, and these inflation numbers have increased the chances of the Fed raising rates more aggressively. So the Australian market caught up to the US yesterday, with all 11 sectors seeing heavy losses. The sectors that declined the most were energy, tech, materials, and financials. The major banks also continue to fall. Yesterday, CBA was down 2.8%, Westpac down 3.7%, NAB down 4.4%, and ANZ down 4.6%. The worst performing stocks were tech giants Block, SQ2, and ZIP, which we know are sensitive to interest rates. And some of the major mining stocks also were being sold, including Chalice Mining, Paladin, Champion Iron, Nickel Industries, and Fortescue Metals. There were only a handful of stocks that managed to gain yesterday. The best performer was Polynovo, PNV, followed by Domino's Pizza, DMP. And the most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients yesterday were Lake Resources, ANZ, Westpac, and CSL. Now, overnight US equities saw little change as investors await the Federal Reserve's meeting on Thursday. The Dow Jones is down 0.5%, the S&P 500 down 0.4%, while the Nasdaq ended slightly higher, up 0.2%. As for what to watch today locally, selling is set to continue today, with the SPY futures suggesting a 0.6% fall at the open this morning. In economic data, Westpac's consumer confidence data for June will be out today at 10:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. So this data is important because it will provide insights into how consumers have responded to the RBA's rate hike last week. In commodities, oil is lower after signals that the US government may be considering legislation to ease the price pressures. Gold remains under pressure from a rallying US dollar and Treasury yields as investors anticipate aggressive monetary policy tightening, and iron ore has fallen to an over 2-week low. Also today, watch ANZ, as the bank may be planning to acquire accounting software MYOB from private equity group KKR. And to end on some trading ideas, Bell Potter maintained their buy rating on Cobram Estate Olives, CBO, and have lowered their price target from $2.35 to $2.20. At its current share price of $1.56, this implies 40.6% share price growth in a year. And Trading Central have identified a bearish signal in Ingham's Group ING, indicating that the stock price may fall from the close of $2.67 to the range of $2.45 to $2.53 over 25 days, according to the standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all we have time for today. I'm Sophia Mavridis with Bell Direct. Have a great day and happy trading.